Hey there, and welcome back, everyone. Let's solve LeetCode 3718, smallest missing multiple of k. Given an integer array nums and an integer k, return the smallest positive multiple of k that is missing from nums. A multiple of k is any positive integer divisible by k. Okay? So look at example 1 here. The first thing we have to do is convert this nums array to a set so we can look inside of it in O of 1 time, okay? And how do you find the multiple of a number or an integer where k is equal to 2 in this example? All you do is you just add k to itself and keep checking whether or not it's inside of this num set, right? We're going to convert the array to a set. So the logic is while k is in the set conversion, we're just going to add k to itself until it's not in this set, right? And then we just return it. So for example, while 2 is in this nums converted set, right? It is, so we just add 2 to it. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Is 4 in here? It is. Okay, well, we add 2 to 4. That's 6. Is 6 in here? It is. Okay, well, then we add 2 to 6. Is 8 in here? It is. Okay, well, then we add 2 to 8. Is 10 in here? It is not, right? So then we just return 10. Over here, the logic is the same, right? While this value k is inside of this nums array that we convert to a set, right? Well, it's not in there. So we just immediately return it, okay? That's why the output is 5. So for the constraints, they're very straightforward. Nothing we have to worry about here. Let's head on over to the drawing board so we have a better understanding of this approach. So the logic is simple, right? The first thing we have to do is we have to convert this array to a set, and then we just use a while loop. So while k, so we'll actually create a variable. We'll say, we'll just set num equal to k. Okay, so basically while num is in this set, then we just add k to it, okay? So num is equal to 2, right? Because I say num is equal to 2 when we start off. And is it in the set? It is. So then we just add k to it. So 2 becomes 4. Is 4 in the set? It is. So then we just add 2 to it. It becomes 6. Is 6 in the set? It is. So we just add 2 to it. It becomes 8. Is 8 in the set? It is, right? So then we add 2 to it. We get 10. Is 10 in the set? It's not. So then we just return 10, right? Okay, same logic here. While this value is in the set, it's not, okay? Well, then we just return that value, okay? So let's go ahead and draw out the code. So essentially we'll say num is equal to k, and while the num, so I need to convert it to a set first, so let me do that now. So we'll say nums is equal to set nums, okay? All right, so while num is n nums, we're gonna simply say num plus equals k, okay? All right, so num plus equals k, and once we, so while num is, yeah, and then eventually we'll just return none. Okay, so let's go ahead and test this out to see if this works. So I'll create a set here so we can visually represent what's going on. All right, and I'll just copy all of these here for that first example. Okay, so num, right, we set it equal to k, and k is equal to 2 for the first example, so num is equal to 2. All right, so while num is in nums, it is, right? So we say num plus equals k, right? Well, num plus equals k is going to give us 4. So we're still in this while loop. Okay, while 4 is in the num set, it is, right? So we're going to just add 2 to it. 6, right? All right, so while 6 is in the num set, it is, right? We're going to add 2 to it. All right? Still in this while loop, right? Because 8 is in the num set, so we're going to add 2 to it. So we get 10. All right? All right? Is while num and nums, is 10 in the set? It's not, right? So we just return 10. Okay? I want you to pause and do this example by yourself, okay? All right, with that being said, let's head on over to LeetCode so I can code up the solution. Okay, so as I mentioned, we have to convert the given nums array to a set, okay? Because if you look up in a nums array, just in an array in general, it's O of n time, right? Whereas if you do a set, it's constant, it's O of 1, okay? So next, we have to store this variable num equal to k so we can modify it inside of this while loop condition. So while num is in the num set, we're gonna simply add k to that num, okay? And then the moment we break out of this while loop, we can just simply return the num, okay? Let's see if this works. All right, it passes the initial test cases. Let me submit this. Wonderful, we have a working solution. And let's head on over to the drawing board to discuss the time and the space, okay? So the time complexity here is equal to big O of n, okay? Why? Because of this nums conversion from an array to a set. That's not magic, right? The Python under the hood, CPython has to physically reallocate the data structure of an array to a set. And to take each element out of the array and put it into a set, it costs O of n time, okay? And the space, as you'd expect, is also big O of n as well, because we have the nums array converted into, the nums array converted into a set, right? Okay, so with that being said, whatever platform you're on, as always, like, comment, subscribe, follow, and I'll catch you in the next one.